Did you know that your thoughts possess an incredible power to shape your reality? It's a concept that's been explored for centuries. And today we're diving into a book that delves deep into harnessing that power for a more fulfilling life. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ace Book Talk. Today, we're venturing into the world of positive thinking with Christian Larson's Your Forces and How to Use Them. And use how to do or fuse the use that how Christian Larson was a prominent figure in the New Thought movement of the early 20th century. This movement emphasized the power of the mind in shaping one's reality, health, and success. Larson, a prolific writer and lecturer, dedicated his life to spreading these principles through his numerous books and articles. His work aimed to empower individuals to take control of their mental landscape and cultivate a positive outlook on life. He was less concerned with the material gains often associated with success and more interested in how positive thought could lead to personal growth and the development of character. In a world grappling with the rapid changes and uncertainties of the industrial age, Larson offered a message of hope and self-reliance, resonating with many seeking to navigate the challenges of modern life. Your Forces and How to Use Them serves as a practical guide to harnessing the power of positive thinking and mental discipline. Larson meticulously outlines the principles and techniques necessary to unlock your inner potential and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. The book begins by emphasizing the fundamental connection between thought and reality. Larson argues that our thoughts are not merely passive reflections of the world around us, but rather active forces that shape our experiences. By consciously cultivating positive and constructive thoughts, we can attract positive circumstances into our lives. He provides concrete exercises and affirmations to help readers reprogram their subconscious minds and eliminate negative thought patterns. A core concept throughout the book is the importance of visualization. Throughout the book is the importance of visual Larson encourages readers to vividly imagine their desired outcomes, impressing these images upon their subconscious minds. By repeatedly visualizing success, we begin to believe in our ability to achieve it, thus paving the way for actualization. He suggests setting aside time each day to engage in focused visualization exercises, creating a mental blueprint for the future we desire. Larson also underscores the significance of self-confidence. He argues that a lack of self-belief is a major obstacle to success, preventing individuals from pursuing their goals and realizing their full potential. To overcome this obstacle, Larson advises readers to focus on their strengths and accomplishments, rather than dwelling on their weaknesses and failures. He advocates for the practice of self-affirmation, repeatedly declaring our worthiness and capability. Another critical aspect of positive thinking, according to Larson, is the cultivation of gratitude. He believes that gratitude is a powerful magnet for attracting more positive experiences into our lives. By appreciating what we already have, we open ourselves up to receive even more blessings. Larson recommends keeping a gratitude journal, regularly writing down the things we are thankful for, no matter how small or insignificant they may seem. The book also delves into the power of suggestion and affirmation. Larson explains how we can use positive self-talk to reprogram our subconscious minds and create new, empowering beliefs about ourselves. He provides numerous examples of affirmations that readers can use to improve their self-esteem, confidence, and overall outlook on life. The key, he says, is to repeat these affirmations regularly, with conviction and emotion, until they become ingrained in our subconscious. Furthermore, Larson emphasizes the importance of persistence and perseverance. He acknowledges that challenges and setbacks are inevitable on the path to success, but he insists that they should not deter us from pursuing our goals. Instead, we should view them as opportunities for growth and learning, strengthening our resolve and determination. He encourages readers to maintain a positive attitude in the face of adversity, knowing that every obstacle overcome brings us closer to our desired outcome. Larson also discusses the importance of aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions. He argues that true success requires more than just positive thinking. It also requires congruent emotions and purposeful action. We must not only believe in our ability to achieve our goals, but also feel enthusiastic and passionate about them. And we must take consistent action towards their attainment, step by step, day by day. Ultimately, your forces and how to use them is a timeless guide to self-empowerment. It teaches us how to harness the power of our minds to create a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. So, what are the key takeaways from this enlightening book? First, recognize the profound connection between your thoughts and your reality. Consciously cultivate positive and constructive thoughts, knowing that they have the power to shape your experiences. Second, practice visualization. Practice sense visualization. Vividly imagine your desired outcomes, impressing these images upon your subconscious mind. Believe in your ability to achieve them. Third, nurture self-confidence. Focus on your strength and accomplishments, rather than dwelling on your weaknesses and failures. Declare your worthiness and capability. Fourth, cultivate gratitude. Appreciate what you already have, opening yourself up to receive even more blessings. Keep a gratitude journal and regularly express your appreciation. Fifth, embrace persistence and perseverance. View challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Maintain a positive attitude in the face of adversity. Your forces and how to use them is a potent reminder that we are the architects of our own lives. By mastering the art of positive thinking and mental discipline, we can unlock our inner potential and create a future filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. It's a blueprint for taking control of your inner world and, in doing so, shaping your outer reality for the better. Thank you for joining me on Ace Book Talk. I hope you found this exploration of your forces and how to use them insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more book recommendations. Until next time, happy reading!